Talofa lava and kia ora. I am Falute Vaauli Lene. I am the Director and Operation Manager for Pacific40 Limited. We operate an online platform allowing Samoan people in New Zealand, Australia, America, and anywhere in the world to pay for shopping for their families in Samoa under the Talofa Voucher brand. We were developing our business from May last year, and we plan to launch it March this year, after signing up agreements with over 40 shops in Samoa to partner in the Talofa Voucher program. And then COVID-19 happened. COVID-19 basically launched our business as people were looking for ways to support their families in Samoa. Being an online platform, it suited customers during the lockdown. The vouchers are delivered instantly to mobile phones of families in Samoa, and their shopping are done at shops closer to their homes. It was an ideal solution for Samoans in New Zealand and anywhere in the world, but also for families in Samoa. We managed to serve all our customers during level 4 from home, and we plan to stay that way during level 3, as we have our kids to attend to during these challenging times until school starts again. Then we'll go back to working from the office. Multitasking is the way to go during lockdown. Everyone doing customer service, technical support, and other operational tasks helps a lot, and it upskills everyone involved in the business. Working from home and advising customers safe ways to do transactions online and avoid going to ATMs. For our business, Samoan people in New Zealand and around the world will always support their families back in Samoa. We are providing a convenient way for them to do that.